Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm taking you on an exciting journey to one of Kerala's most iconic destinations, the Jatayu Earth Center. If you're a fan of nature and adventure, this is the perfect place. Let's dive in and explore what this incredible place offers. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single moment of this experience. So, stay tuned till the end to get the complete feel of everything this amazing place offers. As soon as you step in, you're greeted by this magnificent sculpture of Jatayu, the legendary bird from the Ramayana. It's the world's largest bird sculpture, and its sheer size, standing at 200 feet long and 70 feet tall, is absolutely mind-blowing. You have to see it to believe it. To reach the top, you have two options: you can either take the walkway, or enjoy a cable car ride. I chose to hike up the walkway on my way there, and take the cable car for the ride back down. Walkway is a great experience, you don't want to miss. The path consists of 826 steps, and as you climb, you get to soak in the beautiful surroundings that Kerala is known for. Every step of the way, you're treated to breathtaking views of nature. You can see lush green trees all around, and the rugged rocky terrain adds a whole new dimension to the landscape. The kids are super excited, and they're already leading the way up the steps. It's amazing to see their energy as they take in all the beautiful sights around us. It's such a joy to see them so engaged with nature. They're curious about every little detail, from the flowers blooming along the path to the birds chirping in the trees. It's so much fun to see them explore and appreciate the beauty around us. We're taking little breaks along the way, and the kids are just loving it. They're curious about every little detail, from the flowers blooming along the path to the birds chirping in the trees. It's so much fun to see them explore and appreciate the beauty around us. Let me tell you a little bit about the legend behind this incredible place. This massive sculpture here represents Jatayu, the heroic bird from the Indian epic, the Ramayana. It's the largest bird sculpture in the world, and there's a powerful story behind it that makes it truly special. In the Ramayana, Jatayu is a noble bird who tries to rescue Sita when she's being abducted by the demon king Ravana. As the story goes, Jatayu spots Ravana flying away with Sita, and courageously fights him mid-air. Despite his bravery, Jatayu is severely wounded during the battle, and falls to the ground. This spot, where the Jatayu Earth Center stands, is believed to be the place where Jatayu fell after his heroic attempt to save Sita. It symbolizes sacrifice, bravery, and the battle against evil. The sculpture here is not just an artistic marvel, it's a tribute to those values. Every detail in this sculpture is carefully crafted to honor the story and the significance of this location. The kids are fascinated by the story, and they're thrilled to see such a huge and detailed representation of Jatayu. We're almost at the top, and the kids are still full of energy, racing each other up the final steps. They keep saying how excited they are to finally reach the summit. It's great to experience this hike with them. Their enthusiasm is contagious. And we made it to the top. The kids are so excited, and they're running around, pointing at the stunning views all around us. You can see the vast green landscape, the huge rock formations, and the cable cars moving across the sky. Experiencing this climb with them has been amazing. We've made it this far, and we're just a few steps away from the top. The kids are a bit tired after the long walk, but you can see the excitement in their eyes. They know we're almost there, and they can't wait to see Jatayu up close. There it is. Look at that, Jatayu in all its glory. All that effort was worth it, to finally see this magnificent sculpture up close. It feels like we're standing right next to history. You can feel the joy of reaching this point after such an adventurous walk. Standing right next to the world's largest bird sculpture is incredible. It's amazing how seeing this sculpture up close makes all the effort and excitement of the journey worthwhile. My parents reached the top a bit earlier by taking the cable car. Now that we're all together, the excitement is doubled. The view up here is spectacular. You can see everything from the massive rock formations to the sprawling greenery and the cable cars moving across the sky. It's an adventure worth every step.
Alright, now that we're here at the top, let's take a closer look at the star attraction, the Jatayu sculpture. One fascinating aspect of this sculpture is its emphasis on sustainability. The entire Jatayu Earth Center has been designed with eco-friendly practices in mind. The sculpture itself is made from a blend of natural and sustainable materials that harmonize with the rocky terrain and lush greenery of the surroundings. It's not just about the visual impact, but also about integrating art with the environment responsibly. After that amazing climb and exploring the Jatayu sculpture, it's time to relax and recharge. Here at the top, there's a lovely refreshment area where you can unwind and enjoy some delicious treats while soaking in the view. It's the perfect spot to take a break after a long walk. There's a variety of options available, from traditional Kerala snacks to refreshing drinks. The best part about this spot is that you can enjoy your snacks with a panoramic view of the surrounding landscape. The refreshing breeze, the view of the rolling hills, and the sight of the massive Jatayu sculpture make it an experience like no other. You feel connected to nature and the history around you. From this spot, you not only get to appreciate the sculpture but also the panoramic views of the beautiful Kerala landscape. The rock formations, the greenery, and the cable cars gliding by all add to the experience, making it more than just a visit. It feels like a journey through history, nature, and art. This isn't just any sculpture, it's the world's largest bird sculpture, standing at a jaw-dropping 200 feet long, 150 feet wide, and 70 feet tall. It's an absolute marvel, and being here up close, you can truly appreciate the scale and detail that went into its creation. The sculpture itself is full of symbolism and meticulously crafted details. The wings are outstretched, the feathers are carved with such precision that they almost seem real. The beak is open, showing his determination and courage in the face of battle. It's incredible how the artist managed to capture both the strength and the vulnerability of the bird in this moment. The Jatayu sculpture was designed by the renowned filmmaker and sculptor Rajiv Anchal. His vision was to not only create a massive structure, but to turn it into an artistic tribute that connects with people. It took nearly a decade to complete, and when you see it in person, you can understand why. The sculpture blends art, architecture, and storytelling in a way that leaves you in awe. Standing next to this massive bird, you can feel the legend come alive. The statue doesn't just honor Jatayu's bravery, it captures the spirit of sacrifice, courage, and resilience. Visitors often find themselves pausing, reflecting on the story and its message. It's truly a powerful sight that brings mythology to life in the most epic way possible. Standing beneath Jatayu's wings, you really feel the enormity of this monument. The wingspan is so wide it feels like it's sheltering you, almost like Jatayu is protecting this land. You can't help but feel humbled by the scale and significance of the statue as you imagine the heroic bird's story and its sacrifice. It's as if the spirit of Jatayu is alive in every corner of this place. Walking around the sculpture, you really get to appreciate the craftsmanship. Every feather on Jatayu's wings is carved with intricate detail, almost as if it could flap and take flight at any moment. The fierce expression on its face and the outstretched wings capture that heroic moment from the Ramayana, where Jatayu fought valiantly to protect Sita. The Jatayu sculpture is more than a colossal piece of art. It's a tribute to a legendary figure, a protector, and a reminder of the values we cherish. It's a place where history, culture, and nature converge, leaving you with an unforgettable memory. Alright, now that we've soaked in all the beauty at the top, and explored the incredible Jatayu sculpture, it's time for our ride back down. We're heading towards the cable car station, and the kids are buzzing with excitement, because it's their first time taking a cable car. They can't wait to experience the ride, and see the amazing views from above. Here we are at the station. The cable cars operate using a system of cables and pulleys that safely carry the cars up and down the mountain. They're securely attached to the main cable, which moves continuously, giving passengers a smooth and scenic ride as they glide through the air. It's like floating above the landscape. The kids are super excited as we board the cable car. You can see the thrill on their faces. They've been waiting for this moment all day, and now they're ready to enjoy the ride back down, taking in the view from a whole new perspective. As the cable car slowly moves out of the station, we start to rise above the landscape. The kids are pointing out everything they see, the rocks, the greenery, and the tiny figures below walking the path we took earlier. The cable car is gently gliding above the landscape. The view from up here is just breathtaking. You can see the lush green hills rolling out into the distance, the rugged rock formations that make this place so unique, and even the paths we walked earlier. It's like we're flying above a sea of green, and everything looks so tiny from up here. Look down there. You can see nature from a whole new angle. It's like seeing our entire journey from a bird's eye view. There's something magical about this experience, being suspended above the landscape, moving smoothly, as the wind gently sways the cable car. It's both relaxing and thrilling at the same time, especially for the kids who are just amazed by how high up we are. They're grinning ear to ear, and you can feel their excitement as they take in every moment. It's moments like these that make the cable car ride so special, seeing the joy on the kids' faces, as they take in the beauty of nature from above. It's an adventure they won't forget, and honestly, neither will I. It's the perfect way to end our time here, and the views make every moment in the cable car an unforgettable experience.
Well, here we are back at the base of Jatayu Earth Center, concluding our incredible journey. What an amazing day it has been. From climbing up those 826 steps to witnessing the magnificent Jatayu sculpture, experiencing the cable car ride, every moment has been filled with excitement and wonder. This experience has truly been memorable for all of us. It's these moments spent together as a family that we'll cherish forever. Jatayu Earth Center isn't just about the adventure. It's a blend of history, culture, and breathtaking landscapes that makes it a unique destination. As we wrap up our visit, I want to encourage everyone to take the time to explore places like Jatayu Earth Center. It's a journey that not only brings families closer together, but also allows us to connect with our rich heritage and the beauty of nature. Thank you for joining us on this adventure today. If you enjoyed this adventure and want to see more amazing experiences like this, don't forget to follow and subscribe to SmartSpan. Your support helps us bring you more fun and informative content. Until next time, keep exploring and making memories. Goodbye from Jatayu Earth Center.